This 2014 Fleetwood Tioga Montara 25K Slide is a Class C RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Fleetwood is 26 feet 2 inches in length and features a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 6, air conditioning, TV, external shower, skylight, awning, slide-out, auxiliary battery, self-contained, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2014 Fleetwood Tioga Montara 25K Slide is built on a Ford E350 chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.